Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Today we're going to talk about a new product that only we carry, this new product here. So we always had armrest for the station wagon and pickup trucks, but now we have this new one that's poly based. The old ones had like a metal frame to them and vinyl covered. This one gives it just a little bit more of a modern look. In my opinion, it's also a little bit sturdier. These fit the 46 to 64 station wagon and pickup trucks. We sell them individually, 2 are required. You can find these on our website, JeepsterMan.com, or you can email us, sales@JeepsterMan.com, and our phone number is 314-798-6462. And don't forget, if you're looking for one of our new catalogs, you can sign up for one of these for free off the website as well. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.